Tonight when I hear your lips whispering, softly calling my name, my heart starts softly, start a bit fast suddenly, and slowly bounce. And when you look at me with your eyes, those brown eyes, they reflect myself in, I think I'll be falling too, damn, and falling for you. We should feel the same. Come to me closer, baby, come a little closer tonight. Then you can feel my love. You would see how much my heart depends to you. Whoa, whoa. Come to me closer until my heart falls asleep tonight. Oh baby, tell me you love me. When you fall in love, you can see through the little things, something you never knew. Then I realize how much my heart is so sad when you're not around. Stay with me, honey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come to me closer, baby, come a little closer tonight. Then you can feel my love. You will see how much my heart depends to you. Whoa, whoa. Come to me closer until my heart falls asleep tonight. Oh baby, tell me I'm myself and I'm with you. You're everything, complete my life. Could you just stay with me tonight? Baby, I love you. Can you feel my love? I give you my all. Come to me closer till morning, baby, don't stop. Tonight I wanna feel the lips touching my angel heart, beats all night long. Whoa, whoa. Come to me close.